Hello guys, today we are going to study Social Science Class 9 Chapter 3 Movement Towards a New World All Important Objectives. Who started Nazism in Germany? Hitler. Who takes care of improving the health of the people of the world? WHO, World Health Organization. To improve the economical condition of people after the First World War, immediate governments in power were unsuccessful. So from which type of government people lost faith or trust? Democracy. Dictatorship began in some countries after the First World War. What was the driving force due to that? Second World War. Dictatorship began in some countries after the First World War. What was the driving force due to that? Second World War. In which country did Benito Mussolini launch the fascist party? Italy. Benito Mussolini launched the fascist party. He adopted a bundle of sticks and eggs as a symbol of supremacy of the Roman power. Fascism means absolute control of the state on all things. What was the maxim of Mussolini? One party, one leader. Volunteers of which party used to keep their uniform of black color along with military training? Fascist party. How Italy became the responsible factor for Second World War? Italy joined Rome, Berlin, Tokyo Axis. Adolf Hitler joined the National Socialist German Workers' Party in 1990. This party came to be known as Nazi Party. After the death of German President Hindenburg, Hitler assumed the post and established dictatorial rule in Germany. Germans consider Hitler as Führer, a party whose soldiers used to wear blue military uniforms and stick a red strip on their shoulder and used to wear a symbol of swastika. Of which party the soldiers can be? Nazi party. By the end of Second World War, innumerable Europeans, Jews lost lives, which is known as Holocaust. Hitler's expansionism, military action against neighboring countries and the policy of exterminating certain groups became very important reasons lead to which war? Second World War. In which treaty after First World War seeds of Second World War was sown? Versailles Treaty. The nations in that fierce nationalism developed after the First World War, one is not included in that, Iran. Whichever nations formed groupism after First World War, which arrangement in them is correct? France, Belgium, Poland, Romania and Czechoslovakia. Among the factors of Second World War, those countries formed groupism in that Russia signed Treaty 1 is not included in that, Italy. Identify excess nations of Second World War. Italy, Germany, Japan. Which rule was established in China in 1949 at the end of revolution under the leadership of Mao Zedong? Communism. After the World War II, the world was divided into two superpowers, America and Russia. The war of words and the war of thoughts that both groups initiated in the order to support or oppose each other's opinion created the atmosphere of Cold War. Which institution was established with the purpose of peace, security and coexistence in the world after the Second World War? United Nations. Who is the current Secretary General in Secretariat of United Nations? Ban Ki-moon, South Korea. Which American president made 4 important announcements regarding freedom with the intention of human freedom, peace and security? Roosevelt. On 24th October 1945, the United Nations was established at which place its headquarters was situated? New York. At which place foreign ministers of Britain, America, Russia, China met for world peace in October 1943? Moscow. In capital of which country at Tehran conference of three supreme powers was held in November 1943? Iran. At which place 50 representatives of nations prepared the Agreement of United Nations in September 1944? Washington. By how many member nations declared the establishment of UN on 24th October 1945? 51 members. How many member nations are there in United Nations recently? 193 members. How many organs are there of United Nations? 6. In which city of Netherlands headquarters of the International Court of Justice is situated? Hague. In which city of America except International Court of Justice headquarters of other councils located? New York. Veto power has been used by permanent members nation till 2006 AD. In pairs of them, one is not correct. China, not even once. There are 5 permanent member nations in Trusteeship Council. The representatives selected by the General Assembly are included here. The General Assembly of United Nations appoints the Secretary General for 5 years. By which name the office of the Secretary General is known? Secretariat. The Secretariat of United Nations is situated in New York. In which country is it situated? USA. What does given picture symbolize? United Nations. Which organization is known as UNICEF organization? Children Emergency Fund. What does the following picture symbolizes? FAO. Food Agriculture Organization. The flag shown in the picture is of which country? United Nations. Which treaty was responsible for the World War II? The Treaty of Versailles is responsible for the World War II. Who was the German dictator? German dictator was Adolf Hitler. Name the Italian dictator. The name of Italian dictator was Benito Mussolini. Give the immediate reason of the World War II. The immediate reason of the World War II was German attack on Poland. Who is the current Secretary General in Secretariat of United Nations? The current Secretary General of Secretariat of United Nations is Ban Ki-moon. Where is International Court of Justice located? International Court of Justice is located in Hague of City of Netherlands. What is meant by Cold War? After Second World War, in world politics due to tug of war and different ideologies of America and Russia opposite to each other, democracy and communism, the critical political situation arose to establish own rule and reputation of the world is called Cold War. Write a note on International Court of Justice. It is an important organ of United Nations. Its headquarters is in the city of Hague, Netherlands. There are 15 judges in it who are appointed for 9 years. It solves disputes between nations. It gives verdict on international disputes presented before it. It gives legal advice. Critics call global depression on 24th October 1929 as Wall Street crisis. General Assembly accepts budget of United Nations. International Labour Organization works under Economic and Social Council. Hitler called the Treaty of Versailles as a piece of paper and announced to reject it. After Emperor Meiji, Emperor Hirohito in 1936 also encouraged imperialistic activities of Japan. Benito Mussolini launched the Fascist Party. The symbol of Fascist Party is a bundle of stick and axe. That is a symbol of supremacy of Roman Emperor. Italy joined Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Italy became the responsible factor for World War II. Adolf Hitler joined National Socialist German Workers' Party. National Socialist German Workers' Party was known as Nazi Party. Germans consider Hitler as Führer. Japan captured Manchuria and established Manchukuo government 1932. Japan snapped all ties with League of Nations in 1933 AD. After First World War, first nationalism arose in Japan, Germany and Italy. Hitler believed that as per Nazi philosophy that Germans must get all these provinces where Germans were staying. Italy formed the Rome, Berlin, Tokyo Axis group with the support of Germany and Japan. Italy snatched independence of Abyssinia. After the First World War, Treaty of Versailles was done in Paris peace process. Adolf Hitler called the Treaty of Versailles as a piece of paper and announced to reject it. Hitler had a first nationalist and militarist nature in the Second World War. Hitler's imperialistic policy was mainly responsible for Second World War. In the early morning on 1st September 1939, Germany attacked off peaceful Poland so the World War to begin. Japan attacked American Navy at Pearl Harbor in Hawaii Islands. Extra troopers 1929 Global Depression. Establishment of Fascist Party Benito Mussolini. Symbol of Fascist Party bundle of sticks and eggs. Maxim of Mussolini one party one leader. Paris peace process Treaty of Versailles. National Socialist German Workers' Party Nazi Party. The main aim of Adolf Hitler Rise of Germany. 24th October 1929 Wall Street Crisis. Identified Treaty of Versailles as piece of paper Adolf Hitler. Mammal Pot Lithuania. Hawaiian Islands Pearl Harbor. 11th August 1945 End of Second World War. Establishment of communist rule in China Mao Zedong. 24th October 1945 Establishment of United Nations. 24th October UN Day United Nations Day. Hague City of Netherlands. International Court of Justice. The biggest organ of United Nations General Assembly. The most important organ of United Nations Security Council. Role of 5 permanent member nations of Security Council. Veto right to Delhi. WHO World Health Organization. IMF International Monetary Fund. FAO Food and Agriculture Organization. ILO International Labour Organization. UNICEF Emergency Fund for Children. UNESCO Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Secretariat, the Office of the Secretary General of the United Nations.